Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TradeStation StreetSmart Edge easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official TradeStation website. Locate the download section on the home page. Click on the link to download TradeStation StreetSmart Edge. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. If a security prompt appears, select Run to proceed. The installation wizard will open. Click Next to begin the installation. Read the license agreement carefully, then select I agree to accept the terms. Choose your preferred installation directory or accept the default location. Click Next to continue. You will see options to create desktop shortcuts. Select your preferences and click Next. The installation will now begin. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to exit the installation wizard. Now, locate the TradeStation StreetSmart Edge icon on your desktop. Double-click the icon to launch the application. You will be prompted to log in with your TradeStation account. Enter your credentials and click Log In. If prompted, follow any additional setup instructions. Once logged in, you can customize your workspace and settings. You are now ready to start using TradeStation StreetSmart Edge. Enjoy trading with your newly installed platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.